Today we are here on August 30th, 2010, here with Mr. Sher Mohammad Zadik, who has come here. He's with a senior engineer of
Sui Southern Gas Company.
What is your profession, sir?
I am a consultant right now for telecommunications and SCADA systems.
Okay.
Yeah, telecommunications, we have a separate microwave communication system which runs from Karachi to Quetta and to Sui field. Then we have the SCADA system which controls the block wells.
Okay.
And those block wells, we need these turbines and solar systems and for communication and for the SCADA system.
Okay, sir, here we have this, these are 20 batteries of 120 ampere hour 12 volt. Here is the charge controller and inverter. And with the wind turbine, which is 5 kilowatt, we charge these batteries and we can supply to all your SCADA systems and the BTS sites and all of that, and all to Southern Sui Gas Company, the Sui Gas Company, the electric company, the utility company, and here we are supplying this to this factory. This factory has all these lights and all of them, and with this wind turbine they have stopped using that generator that is there. That means that on all the BTS sites and all the telecommunication sites, we don't need any of these generators, just one turbine. You put up a turbine and you can have constant electricity. So you save on this diesel gas, diesel, whatever it is, and it charges the batteries which supply power to the air conditioner, to these lights, to the motors, to a water pumping motor, and this way we can eliminate the diesel requirement for all the telecommunication and all of the sites that are required. Would you like to say something, some comments to the viewers all over the world?
Yeah, well, this is a nice system, wind turbines. It is, I don't know, it is coming, I think it is all over the world. Because of the energy crisis, these wind turbines will be very nice. And particularly for the remote areas where we don't have any gas, we don't have any electricity, something like that. So this is the best thing.
So, would you recommend this to the organizations in Pakistan?
Yes, definitely. I'll ask my superiors in Sui Southern Gas Company to go for this, the wind turbine, because this is need of the hour.
Okay, thank you very much, sir. Really appreciate you coming here to visit this site.
Thank you.
And we appreciate it, being such a senior engineer from Pakistan. And with so many years of experience, and thank you very much for the kind words. God bless you. God bless Pakistan. Assalamu alaikum.
Thank you.